How to restart any iPhone without touching its screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restart any iPhone without touching its screen. So this is useful when your screen is not responding and your iPhone may be lagging or it's just hanging. So this is how you do it. If you did not have your screen hanging, you could easily restart it by heading over to accessibility tool and then device and then more and then restart. Now, since none of your screen is working, this is what you do. So there is a way you can force restart your iPhone. The first you will need to press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, just release the button and your iPhone should restart. That is, it's really simple. Again, tap on the volume up button right here and the volume down button and then the side button. After doing that, your iPhone should restart and you're basically good to go. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.